There it is. I guarantee it is a misfire. First things first, so his oil is low. Well, it's not really that low, but I mean, it's low. Alright, go ahead and fill it up a little bit. Alright. P0303. Bet you it's a misfire. Yep. Misfire. Hey there. So, I'm gonna be honest with you, man. You don't need oil. Your oil is, you don't need an oil change. I mean, I'll change it for you if you want me to. But, you don't really need an oil change. So, you... No, it's not even really empty. It was low, yes, but you don't really need an oil change, man. Your oil color is fine. I'll send you a picture of your dipstick. I topped it off for you. You have a misfire in cylinder 3. So what I'd say is, you said that I'll have to like look at it. Let me. Whoa. You gotta. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm a YouTube sensation.
I just need to see how much a 2009 Camry coils and spark plugs are gonna be. Actually, not that bad. You change your oil nicely, regularly. That's good. Oh, that is nasty, man. Dude, he doesn't have a gap on his spark plugs. That one doesn't look too bad.
Yeah.
That one's not that bad. I think that's the one that was misfiring, bro. Because he has a misfire in piston 3. I think this is 3.
Because that's the one we just used to,
Look.
take those out.
Take it out.
That's not a 5/8.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Bro,
You know what? I have a really shitty feeling.
it's too thick.
Spark plug, huh? Yeah.
Yep.
That's why. No fucking. Well, yeah, because they didn't fucking match. That's why. I bet you when they were looking up the engine size, they put the wrong one in.
There it is. That's it.
Nice.